Hi, my name is Sonal and today I will be presenting you with my social media strategy for TRAV. TRAV is a Sheffield-based luxury golf travel company that was launched in January 2019. The most unique feature to date remains the use of PGA professionals to act as tour guides. The target audience is aged between 45 to 80 and people with higher disposable income. This is a graph that I've taken down from Statista website showing the significant rise of social media users in the UK over the last 5 years. The circle ones is your age group between 45 and above, which is the ideal target market for TRAV. It is also a great way to compare yourself with your competitors to see what they've been up to, so you can follow in their footsteps and try and improve your social media strategy or improve your brand awareness. I have used a lot of examples from Your Golf Travel in my presentation, just make it like a comparison point between the two and see what can be done for improvements. Let's talk about the impact of social media on tourism. In simple words, it is very easy for people to share photos and videos on their social media where people can engage with themselves in the comment section, where they can talk about the experience, what to do, what not to do, and in general. And also websites such as TripAdvisor or Trustpilot has gained a lot of attention in the last couple of years. These are the websites that online travelers would love to get into to read reviews or check for information before they head into a certain location. My social media strategy for TRAV is divided into two sections. The first one being content marketing strategy and the second one being community for audience. Content marketing strategy is all about improving your brand visibility to get people to engage themselves in a UGC, which is user generated content, where they can write comments or talk about the experience, etc. Now this can be done by using hashtags by telling an engaging story, which in return helps you improve your search engine optimization. Here is an example by Your Golf Travel where they have used some key hashtags to get more traffic on their social media page. Another great way of engaging with your customers is by telling them a story. National Geographic Travel has over 50 million followers globally, and they use these great stories to open communication options with their consumers. This in return helps you build brand loyalty and improve the trust between the consumer and the brand. Search engine optimization is basically is what makes you better amongst the rest. For example, when I typed in UK golf holidays in Google, the first page that came up was Your Golf Travel, obviously because they have the highest rated SEO amongst all the companies in the UK. Similar companies, sorry. There are a few tips for TRAV to improve their SEO. You can do this by improving your website's user experience, which is basically putting adequate information on your website, by uploading posts on a regular basis, and by fixing broken links. When I went to TRAV's website, when I went right at the bottom, I have seen these little social media links that do not seem to be working. This is like an example of a broken link. I would urge TRAV to fix this ASAP as part of their social media strategy. Another great way to improve your brand visibility is by asking audience questions, by gathering information on websites or TripAdvisor, Trustpilot, social media accounts, etc. Here is an example of Your Golf Travel using questions to engage themselves with their consumers. This was a video uploaded on YouTube by Your Golf Travel headed "What's the best part of your golf game?" It's like giving people a reason to engage, to write on the comment section to get more traffic. Trustpilot is a great example of a website where people talk about their experience, they write reviews, etc. These are great for DMOs especially. This is a page on Trustpilot of Your Golf Travel, which they have got received over 8,000 reviews. However, there seems to be no page of IK Travel on Trustpilot, so I would urge IK Travel to make one of their own and start working on it straight away. Impact of COVID has been immense on tourism. All the attractions and tourist facilities were shut down, and there were confinement in tourist locations. People were not allowed to leave their home. However, on the positive note, people have been staying home most of the time and working from home, so that means they've got more time to get into their social media accounts, which is a good thing for IK Travel, as they can start implementing their social media strategy straight away. In conclusion, these are like the overview of strategy that I've done for IK Travel, which I'd like them to work into to improve their brand visibility. And here are the references that I've used for my slides. And for any questions, please get in touch. Thank you.